This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad spread. First, gather 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in a saucepan, ensuring they are covered by 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then remove from heat and cover for exactly 10 minutes. This method ensures perfectly cooked yolks. Afterward, transfer the eggs to an ice bath for 5 minutes to halt the cooking process and make peeling easier. Now that your eggs are perfectly cooked and cooled, it's time to peel them. Gently tap each egg on a hard surface to create small cracks all over the shell. Peel them under cool, running water. This helps the shell slide off easily. Once peeled, use an egg slicer or a sharp knife to finely chop the eggs. Aim for small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch, to ensure a consistent and delightful texture in your spread. Next, let's create the delicious, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle tang. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For a touch of freshness, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh chives or green onions. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until the dressing is perfectly smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold your finely chopped eggs into the creamy dressing you just prepared. Mix carefully until all the egg pieces are evenly coated, but be sure not to overmix or mash them. Taste your egg salad and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or pepper. Serve this delightful spread immediately on your favorite toast, crackers, or as a classic sandwich filling. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.